Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is 28th of September and we are talking about 4:50 Eastern Standard Time AM, and right now we are looking at gold, but let's start with S&P 500 indices. American indices looks like they are still in this comfortable zone when the market is trying to tell us we're gonna stay here for a while. But market came lower a little bit and stay here just for a few moments below the recent lows. And that might be important signals. We'll see if the market's going to move higher or it's going to come back to those lows to break them and fall into the recession at the price chart at least. But right now we see no particular sellers at this level, but we've met important support resistance, which is this zone closing up to 1200 points. So it's very interesting. We'll see what's happened. I'm telling you right now that most of these long position action aren't that much interesting as shorts coming here. For example, here we got trend changing position, like here coming into the market and short position, and here again short position, beautiful, and here long position is much less attractive comparing to the shorts trading in this channel. So that's what I'm talking about in most of live courses, how to use this kind of chart to make some money during the fall downs. Let's take a look at different markets. Euro dollar is also depending on US indices, but right now it's showing us after this rectangle pattern, it's changing the trend at 4-hour chart, so euro dollar started growing, and right now is making the test of important support resistance. So it's classic kind of trade, classic kind of move at this price chart that market did a trend change, and right now it's testing long position and it might be shooting higher and higher, but I'm not really sure about those moves around here. So we have to be cautious if the market's gonna go at this point to 13796. So we are talking about 380. And it might be coming back to some lower levels, but right now it's a little bit sold out. So that's what this pattern is telling us, that there are sellers at the market, but they are stopped out at this point. And right now we are coming back to buying at least some of the buyings, following also the pound, which moved aggressively higher. It broke out to the upside, and right now it's showing us there are no particular sellers at the market. So this market is showing us we have the falling flag, which is kind of breath for the market, and market might be going higher and higher again. If we are talking about important news today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there are some core durable goods orders, and that's pretty much it for today, unless we are talking about Bernanke speaking much more later. So important trade for some recent time might be the gold. We see at some levels at daily chart the gold hit some new lows, but it came back to comfortable level, higher comfortable level at daily chart, and at 4-hour chart it looks like it made this beautiful shadow, and then we see zigzag, which is telling us the trend at 4-hour chart, medium trend, has changed based on my definition. And right now we see another zigzag, which after that we might see some new sellers coming in at the market. Of course, market doesn't really move vertically, so it doesn't fall down to move vertically higher again. So it might be doing some different moves here, showing us that it might be growing for some time. So I'm not telling you it's going to grow and grow right here to move new highs, but we might see some important higher moves. We'll see how it goes. Right now market is suggesting it might be moving higher, so it might be important, nice long trade, investing trade to hold on to this position at 4-hour charts. So I'm talking about many hours or a few days. We'll see how it goes. It is very interesting to watch. Thank you very much for that. I hope you to see you at some other time at Forex online courses, or you can see more of the information at other video daily and other review analysis. Thank you very much for that. Take care.